Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video a quick review for the Samsung Galaxy A41. So let's have a look what's included. Of course the phone, yeah. And then next to the phone we have here a little manual box, which one have also here the pin to remove the SIM tray. We have a headset here included with an audio jack, what is very nice because at many phones now you need an adapter to use it. But here you have an extra audio jack. We have a USB Type-C charging cable, which one supports fast charging and in combination with a power charger. And yeah, USB Type-C, very important if you want to buy a second cable, maybe to charge it in the car or something like this. You need USB Type-C. So let's come to the design. So we have a 6.1-inch display, which one makes it very compact. It's very nice in the hand, and also the weight is nice because it's supported with a plastic body here, which one is very resistant against scratches and so on, by the way. And yeah, I have here the black version. And you can have it as well in silver, red or blue. So but what I have to say is that just the back case here is in a different color. The front will be always with a black frame and the display. And apropos display, we have a 6.1-inch AMOLED display, which one is very colorful and it saves a lot of energy. And it comes in full HD, of course. And under the display we have here a fingerprint sensor as well to unlock the phone. And of course we have here an Octa-Core CPU, which one have 2 times 2 GHz and 4 times 1.7 GHz. The storage is not so much with 64 GB, but you can extend it later with a microSD card if you want up to 512 GB. And yeah, we have as well 4 GB as RAM. So let's have a look here on the SIM tray. As I said, we can support the internal storage here with a microSD card. And what's very nice, you have the chance to insert 2 SIM cards next to a microSD card. So we have here a dual SIM phone, very nice. Let's have a look on the cameras. So we have here 25 MP front cam here in that notch, which one supports full HD videos. And on the back we have a triple cam with a 48 megapixel. And we have an ultra wide cam with 8 megapixel and a 5 megapixel depth cam. Okay, let me show you what's about the regular cam, the ultra wide cam, because if you're very close to an object, you cannot have everything, or if you have a group picture and you're very close to the group, then you cannot have everybody on the picture, like my little hand here next to our little friend. So, and if I go now here on the ultra wide cam, you see we have much more on the screen. So it is very nice. So this is the regular cam and this is the ultra wide cam. So as you can see, there's a big difference, but the quality is of course not so much because, as I said, the regular cam have 48 megapixels and the ultra wide cam have just 8 MPs. Yeah, and if it's a bit too dark, you can use of course the LED flashlight here, but the pictures in the dark are not so good, and then you may have to take a premium cam. But I think for the price is very nice what we get. And of course the phone supports 4G, it has Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and it has a built-in FM radio, which one you can use in combination with the headset. And the phone have a non-removable 3500 mAh battery, which one is not so powerful, but it's okay to use it for one day. But what is very nice that the phone supports fast charging. So the phone comes around €300, $300 at the beginning, but it is very sure that the price will go down in the next month. So let me show you some features you can use. As I said, the phone have an AMOLED display, which one saves a lot of energy, and you can support that with here the dark mode. Then many stuff is which one was white before is turning now into black, and that saves a lot of energy because if you have an AMOLED or an OLED display, you can turn off some pixels for the light, and that saves a lot of energy. So what's also very nice, you have a kids mode here for the children. If you give it to your child for having maybe 10 minutes of rest or something like this, the child can just use his own desktop here. He cannot have a look in your pictures. He has his own camera. He can just go in the internet on the website you have confirmed before. So it have just his own phone numbers and so on. And what is very nice, if he wants to leave the kid mode, he have also to enter a pin which one you create before. So I have a very simple one now to show you. A very nice mode. Okay, in the camera I have also some other features. Maybe if you're going here on more, then we can go here on Bixby Vision, and we have here a nice translation tool. So if we tapping here on the picture, he is going now to a live translation, and he will use also the same letters as you can see. And you can go here also on that arrow to go to notes. Then you can share it directly, or you can check it on the internet again. And yeah, so a very nice tool to translate something. You can use it maybe on the holidays or something like this. So very nice. And we have also a QR code scanner here. I've prepared already one. And now if you have a look here on the QR code scanner, it tells us, thanks for watching Phones and More. I hope I could help you with this video to show you some specs and features here for the Samsung Galaxy A41. And yeah, maybe if you like, you can leave me a thumbs up or maybe give me a nice comment. It would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for, and I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.